In this video right here, we're going to talk about Gemini, the Gemini Exchange, where you can buy cryptocurrency. So if you are a beginner to this space, you want to watch this video because I love Gemini, because I'm the Gemini master and I help people invest using the Gemini platform. I'm Adam Shelton and welcome to this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Right below this video, I do have a Gemini account information where you can sign up and get started with Gemini. So let's go ahead and dive into the content. So right now I'm going to go ahead and sign into the Gemini Exchange, and the next page here, it wants me to enter a 7-digit code, which is actually sent to your cell phone. So I'm looking at my phone right now. It just sent me a message and it's telling me to put in my 7-digit code. So I'm going to do that right now. When you sign up for the Gemini Exchange, you'll be definitely redirected to telling you that you need to set up a code. Now, right now, this is the Gemini Exchange. It goes right to my portfolio. Now, the first place I want to show you is the market tab. This is all the assets you can actually use the Gemini Exchange. Now, they just recently added Dogecoin on here, so you can start buying Dogecoin here really soon. It says this asset is not available yet for trading. It will be available for trading momentarily, probably in a couple of days. Now, using the Gemini Exchange, when you sign up by clicking on the link below, you can start buying Bitcoin, Uniswap, Litecoin, and among others. Now, the first thing you want to do is click on the asset. Now, if you're interested in buying Bitcoin, of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I just help direct you for basically learning how and teach you how to invest on these exchanges. But here's the thing, is the fact that when you're ready to buy Bitcoin, you can do some research right from the Gemini website by clicking on read more and going to the websites. So here's all the websites and information you can actually go to, which I really like about it. And you learn more about the Bitcoin and also information about the characteristics, the Bitcoin mining, and other things as well. So you can learn a little bit about it right from here, and you can also learn about the history. So example, for 1 year, you can see where it was from 1 month, 1 week, just yesterday, and 1 hour. So you can learn about the Bitcoin pricing movement just by the little graph here. Now, the next thing I do like about it, it's easy to make a trade by buying and sell. So if I want to buy a Bitcoin, it's going to tell me, okay, buy or sell. So I click on buy. How often do I want to buy this? So I can say daily, weekly, twice a month, or monthly. So you can actually set this up automatically if you want to do that. Now, if I just want to buy once, I can go ahead and go right to the next column. So if it says how much, now I can use these buttons here to pretty much, if I want to do $50, $100, $500, or $1,000. Now, if my budget didn't fit any of these areas here, I can go ahead and just type in the amount that I want to purchase. So if I want to pay $75, now understanding I'm not going to buy the entire Bitcoin, but I can buy a piece of a Bitcoin, $75, and it shows me exactly how much Bitcoin I would receive. Now, the next thing you want to do is actually review order. So it's going to review your order. It's not going to go ahead and charge you yet because it's basically telling you exactly what you're getting yourself into and the terms and conditions. The 4 to 5 business days. This actually could be a lot sooner than 4 to 5 business days based on your bank. And also here is the order amount. So $72 a Bitcoin I will get out of the 75 because there's transaction fees with it. And also it also shows me how much Bitcoin that I'm going to get right there. And then also your bank method. I've already got my bank account already set up, but if I did not want to use that, I can add another bank account or a debit card. Now, that's very cool and very easy to do. You just click on here and you just follow these steps. Here's my debit card or here's my bank. That's simple. I love Gemini. It's really simple and really easy to use. And don't forget, you can actually download the Gemini on your cell phone by just going to your Play Store, type in Gemini Exchange or just Gemini. And if you have an Android, look for the Play Store, type in Gemini. Or if you have a Apple phone or iPhone, just go to the Apple Store and type in Gemini as well. and then I just confirm my order, and that's it. It's that simple and really easy to do. Now, one area that I didn't show you, you can actually set up watching, so you can set up alerts when the price moves. So I can set up an alert right here. If I'm looking for the price to go up or down, I can set up an alert by clicking on there, and I can create an alert. So it basically says when it goes to 55,000, it's going to give me an alert. So create an alert, and it says price alert created. You can manage price alerts in my portfolio. So I can go right to my portfolio, and I can find out what my alerts are. My alerts gonna be all the way down here that says price alert, and we just set up the 55,000 price alert. Once it hits 55,000, I will be an alert when this hits. So which is really cool. It's probably gonna alert me through an email or a text message through my cell phone. So that's what the alert would come from. Now we went over market, and remember we just clicked on Bitcoin for an example in the terms of what information I want to do. If I want to buy one, you can do the same thing to all these assets as well. Decentraland, and you also can do 1 inch. You also can do any of these, and they're adding on all the time. They're always adding some all the time. Now you're probably wondering, what are the top movers and top traded means? Well, the top movers means this is the most highest that is doing in the market. So this is basically, it's the highest it's doing. So Dogecoin is definitely a high, so is Chainlink and Litecoin. So these are the ones that are really moving today. They're really increasing value today. And the top traded, these are the top popular ones that gets top traded on this actual exchange and recently launched. You will see Dogecoin on here soon once it's actually officially launched, but you can go ahead and start learning about it already. But these are some that recently launched on here, the shows here, and these are DeFi coins that basically on DeFi. So if you're just only looking for DeFi coins, this is the ones you want to look at. So that's pretty simple, ready to go. How to do this. It's really simple. That's why I like it, because it kind of just makes it really easy for you to go ahead and do this. Now the next tab I'm going to do is earn, and earn is basically how you can earn 7.40% APY on your crypto redeem at any time. You actually can put your crypto, so when you invest into a cryptocurrency, you actually can put it inside an interest rate portfolio. So I've already put some of these already as an example of how I can earn interest. But for an example, for 1 inch, it has not been earned yet. All I do is click on earn. So click on earn here, and you may be eligible for some of these to be earned. So you just click on earn, and it's pretty much, okay, click on earn there. And it's asking me how much of this do I want to use, how much of this. So if I put maximal, it's going to basically say this is the maximum. That's the maximum I can use to go ahead and add to my interest. And this is projected 1 year interest, is that approximately I should be getting this amount of 1 inch in a 1 year interest. So it's not a bad deal. Just keeping your cryptocurrency in the interest account and let it grow. So this is a good way of letting your crypto grow when you sleep or when you're basically not even bothered. So this is a really good strategy to do as well. And it says learn more. You can click on the learn more button here or the FAQ button as well. And the last part here I'm going to show you is actually your portfolio, which is all your trading balances and your earn balances are being held at, as well as your transaction, your previous transactions, recurring buys, or your price alerts. Now, the first area here, it shows your total portfolio that you currently have on your account. So it just shows a graph exactly where it's going up and down if your portfolio is doing that. Your trading balances, these are the ones that you currently have traded, and they're not into an interest balance, they're just on a trading balance. So you can go ahead and move these two and earn balance. I can buy more or I can sell, just like right there. And this shows me how much 1 inch that's in here. And this shows me how much Decentraland that is here as well. And then the earn balance is, it shows you a total balance. It shows you when it's where it is at today, which is minus $4.70. And up here, it shows minus $11.48. So they both are down today. But check this out. It does also shows you the information about your 30-day interest, my balance, and your earn portfolio. So your earn portfolio on this one is pretty good, pretty high. I mean, it's the highest, I should say. And then Orchard is the next highest as well. Now the actions here, you can go ahead and earn more if you don't have everything in your interest other than Ethereum, or you can go ahead and start redeeming that as well. So it's pretty simple. I'm telling you, your trading balances and the earn balances. You can redeem this stuff. You can put them in the earn interest account. It's really simple and really easy. So that is kind of more of a short breakdown of Gemini. Also here, you can also deposit money into your Gemini account, or you can withdraw your Gemini from here as well, just by clicking here as well. An account is kind of your frequently asked questions, your settings, your legal, logging out, and of course your name there. Really basic information. And this right here, if you click there, is pretty much kind of like notifications of what's happening as well. So with your assets, so just by clicking there. So my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video today. Click on the link below to get started with Gemini. It is a really good exchange. It's something I think that new beginner investors should go ahead and use because it's really simple and really easy to do. My name is Adam Shelton, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I'll see you later.